Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Yt-dlp and Ffmpeg must be callable from your path. Install via Package Manager or place binaries in a folder, then run Yt-dlp version and Ffmpeg version to confirm. Once done, create a dedicated download folder and prepare a single test URL. Now run a basic command, Yt-dlp video URL %title s. %ext s to fetch a file. This first step proves your toolchain works before adding flags. Next, you refine format and processing choices. Use F to select streams, best video plus best audio, or a single combined format, because you control quality and size. Then set output templates with %title s, %ext s, and add merge output format MP4 if you need remuxing via Ffmpeg. If you want post-processing, include post-processor args or exec to run commands after download. Make sure to test on short clips so you can iterate quickly. To finish, run your full command and watch logs for errors. Add V to get verbose output. If merging fails, Ffmpeg will print the reason, corrupt fragments, codec mismatches, or missing streams, so read that output and adjust F or merge output format. Once done, clean temporary files and verify the final media plays. If things go wrong, one key tip: update both Yt-dlp and Ffmpeg, then retry with V to capture diagnostics. This resolves most incompatibilities quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.